Hello, good morning to all of you. Today, in this video, we are going to start a new topic, entropy and probability. This comes in Statistical Mechanics paper 5 group B degree 3. So for degree 3 students, I want to mention that today I am going to start statistical mechanics group B of paper 5. So far we were dealing with questions answers of paper 7 A and B. Few questions are left. We will discuss later on. Now I am going to start today's topic, entropy and probability. The term entropy is not new for you. You have read already in degree 1. And probability, I think, also not new. Most probably you have read in mathematics. What is the relation between the two? This is the target of today's video. Who discovered relationship? Boltzmann. You are familiar with scientist Boltzmann. In 1896, discovered a relation between entropy and probability. See here, entropy is a thermodynamical quantity and probability is a statistical quantity. Okay, so how the idea came into mind that there must be a relationship between entropy and probability, though entropy related to thermodynamics, probability related to statistical mechanics. So how the people thought that there must be a relationship. Boltzmann assumed that, Boltzmann supposed that in equilibrium or the state or the system is in equilibrium when the entropy is maximum. See here, when the entropy is maximum, the system is said to be in equilibrium. When, on the other hand, when probability is maximum, the system is said to be in equilibrium. So in thermodynamics and in statistical mechanics, there is a similarity. What is the similarity? That if the system is in equilibrium, it means entropy is maximum. In statistical mechanics, if the system is in equilibrium, the probability is maximum. So entropy is maximum when the system is in equilibrium. In thermodynamics, in probability is maximum when the system is in equilibrium. In statistical mechanics, it means there must be a relationship between entropy and probability. This idea, this fact led the concept of relationship between entropy and probability. If any system is not in equilibrium, suppose I told you just now that if the system is in equilibrium means entropy is maximum. If entropy is maximum, system is in equilibrium. Same. So suppose in case if the system is not in equilibrium, then system will reach in equilibrium when entropy or maximum entropy is reached. Thus, in equilibrium state, both the entropy and thermodynamical probability have their maximum values. As I repeated before you that in equilibrium in thermodynamics entropy is maximum, in equilibrium in statistical mechanics probability is maximum. So it was supposed that it was assumed that entropy is a function of probability. This is your equation 1. So start from here. Entropy is a function of probability. Here S is the symbol of entropy, F is the symbol of probability. In other textbook, you may see different symbol for probability, omega. In order to know the nature of the function Fw, let us consider two completely independent systems. Okay, we are we are going to know the nature of the function Fw. How to proceed? We take two independent systems. Okay, we take two completely independent system A and B. Suppose entropy of system A is S1, probability is W1. Entropy of system B is S2, probability is W2. Okay. Now, entropy is an additive property. Entropy is an additive property. What does it mean? It means if you have two systems, one system has entropy, this one other system is this one, you can add the two entropy to get the total entropy, and that is why I have written S is equal to S1 plus S2. But probability, one system has probability what? W1, the other system has probability what? W2. So total entropy is equal to, sorry, total probability is W is equal to W1 W2. Means here you can see in you can see in entropy we have written S is equal to S1 plus S2, but here we have written W is equal to W1 plus W2, because entropy is additive but probability is not additive, it is multiplicative. Product, we take product. Now as S is equal to Fw, so we may write in place of W W1 W2 here from equation 3, and suppose we are going to write the entropy of system 1, then S1 is equal to Fw1, system 2 S2 is equal to Fw2. Okay, so it is Fw1 W2 is equal to Fw1 plus Fw2. Now differentiating partially above equation with respect to W1 and W2, we are going to differentiate this equation. See here, what is this? This is W1 W2. First we differentiate with respect to W1, keeping W2 constant. So W2 is taken out of the differentiation, and one time differentiation means one prime symbol here, dash, you can see dash, it indicates the one time differentiation. You write either you write d by dt, first derivative. In short, we may use like we may write prime symbol. So f dash w1 w2, here this one is constant, so its differentiation is 0 and it will be f dash w1. Now we take constant, we keep constant w1, it will be w1 here and f dash w1 w2, and this one is 0 as it is constant, it is f dash w2. Okay, these two equation 8 and 9, here on dividing it will be w2 by w1, f dash w1 by w2. Here this one, actually these two terms being common will be cancelled out after dividing. Okay, so 1 minute. Yes. Now we multiply cross multiplications here. This one you can write here, and cross multiplication. This one, this is here, and here we generalize this equation W1 F dash W1 W2 F dash W2 equal to K. Why K? Because F W11 2 for third system 3 for fourth system 4 and all are equal. So we write a general constant K. In a general, then we can write either this one is constant, okay, either this one is constant K, okay. So if we consider this equation, suppose we consider this equation, then we may write W1 is equal to, or F dash W1 is equal to, this W1 is taken here, K by W. And if you consider these two equations, then F dash W2 is equal to F, K is here and W2 divided by. So we get two equations. Now we are going to integrate this equation. First we integrate this one. Prime symbol one time differentiation will be cancelled out, so it will be Fw1 and 1 by W1. We may write log W1 because differentiation of log W is 1 by x, integration of 1 by x is equal to log W1. So here, and this is integration constant. Again we differentiate this one here, it will be W2. Okay, here one thing is missing, it will be W2. Okay, so you have to correct this, it will be W2, you will write W2 here and here W1. So this one you have to correct this sentence, one will be replaced by 2, here one will be replaced by 2. Okay, in general we may write Fw is equal to K log W2 plus C. So this one you have to correct it, or S is equal to K log W plus C. This is the relation between entropy and probability. In general, we may write S is equal to K log W. Here, value of C is neglected. I hope you have understood this topic. If you feel any problem, you may take the help through social sites, WhatsApp, Telegram, as you wish. So, thank you.